there's an eyeball. There's another eyeball. This is a
Oh.
forehead up here. Can you make it out?
Yeah, I can
Ayan.
see it now. Where's the hands? Oh, there's the hands.
The hand is right there. These are legs here. Okay, let me...
If you
let
can
me
see
just
the-
ano, ha? You the gender?
No, don't.
No, let's not, ha?
Let's
Wag,
not
wag, wag.
first.
Para kung gusto mo sabay kayo, there's the heartbeat of the baby. Let's record that one para marinig.
Oh my God, hi! Oh my God. He's strong. It is strong, right?
Yeah, no, the baby's strong. Nice heartbeat. So the heartbeat measurement is there, 170 beats per minute. Very normal. Perfect.